Have you ever stared at your bank balance and thought, it's too late for me? Too late to save. Too late to invest. Too late to start over. Meet Ethan, 42 years old. Once a marketing manager at a mid-sized company, until AI arrived. Within months, automation reshaped everything: the projects he led, the people he mentored, the role he once called secure. Now, he sits at his small kitchen table, coffee gone cold, surrounded by unopened bills. His phone buzzes with job alerts that all demand new skills he doesn't have. He scrolls through TikToks of 20-year-olds making six figures online and whispers, "What did I do wrong?" A decade ago, he believed time was his biggest asset. But life got busy: rent, kids, health, the endless climb of expenses. He kept saying, "I'll start saving next year." And somehow, next year never came. But this story isn't about regret. It's about what happens when technology, the same thing that took your job, becomes your second chance. Because while most people see AI as a threat, a few have learned to make it their financial ally. And what Ethan discovers next might just change how you see your own story too. If you've ever felt behind in life, this isn't just Ethan's story. It's ours. A generation waking up to the idea that it's not too late. It's just different now. A week after losing his job, Ethan wakes up at 6:30 a.m. out of habit. But there's no meeting to attend. No emails to check. Just silence. He opens his laptop, his digital battlefield. The job portals are filled with buzzwords he doesn't recognize: prompt engineering, AI workflow design, automation strategy. Every description reads like a language he never learned. He clicks on one role after another. Each one requires skills he never needed before, tools that didn't even exist 5 years ago. This is where the world has quietly changed. AI hasn't just replaced factory workers or cashiers. It's rewriting the rules for everyone, even the safe jobs. And while some people are building new income streams from AI, others, like Ethan, are watching from the sidelines, frozen between fear and disbelief. He does the math on a napkin. Mortgage, overdue. Emergency savings, gone. Retirement fund, barely enough for 2 years. Inflation has eaten away what little progress he made. How do you catch up when the world's running on code? That's the question echoing across millions of homes right now. Because while the headlines scream AI opportunity, most people only see AI anxiety. They see creators, freelancers, and investors using these tools to multiply their income while they, with decades of experience, feel like dinosaurs overnight. Ethan watches one of them, a 24-year-old, teaching how ChatGPT built his six-figure side hustle. He sighs. It feels like he's watching a different world. But deep down, something shifts. That mix of frustration, envy, and curiosity becomes a spark. Because beneath the fear of being too late lies a simple truth: you only lose when you stop learning. And that's where Ethan's story, and maybe yours, begins to change. The conflict isn't between humans and AI. It's between those who adapt and those who don't. The night Ethan almost gave up, he stumbled upon a YouTube video. The title read, "How I Let AI Manage My Finances So I Could Focus on Living." He almost scrolled past it. But something about the calm voice of the creator, not flashy, not selling, made him pause. In that moment, curiosity won over doubt. The creator talked about AI-powered budgeting tools, apps that track spending automatically, showing not just where your money goes, but how it behaves. It wasn't about spreadsheets or stock charts. It was about clarity, something Ethan hadn't felt in years. So he tried it. He downloaded one app, Clio. Then another, Monarch. Within minutes, the AI mapped out his entire financial life: subscriptions he forgot, patterns he ignored, habits he didn't see. For the first time, Ethan saw his financial truth laid bare, not to shame him, but to guide him. He set up goals: pay off debt faster, save 15% of every freelance payment, let AI rebalance investments monthly. And as he worked, he realized something: he didn't need to be a tech genius. He just needed to start. Within a few weeks, he found AI side hustles, tools that created income instead of draining it. He learned about ChatGPT freelancing, AI content creation, and automated investing bots that managed portfolios based on goals, not emotions. Narrator, inspired tone every morning. His AI assistant sent a summary. You've reduced debt by $214 this week. Your investments are up 3.4%. Numbers that once haunted him, now encouraged him. They became milestones, proof that progress was still possible, even at 42. He began to understand something deeper. AI wasn't here to replace him. It was here to replace his old habits. He reinvested his new income into learning, taking short AI finance courses, watching tutorials late at night. It wasn't easy, but it was different now. Every bit of effort had an ally, a digital partner turning his intent into motion. Narrator, reflective transformation rarely looks like a movie moment. Sometimes, it's just one quiet evening where you decide to try again. And that's what Ethan did again and again. Until one day, he realized, he no longer felt behind. The same world that once left him behind was now working for him. His AI systems tracked expenses, optimized savings, even predicted cash flow. He wasn't chasing money anymore, he was managing it with clarity and control. Narrator, soft smile and tone. Ethan didn't just find tools. He found time. Time to breathe, time to plan, time to live, while AI quietly did the heavy lifting. And in that balance between human purpose and digital precision, he found something even more valuable than money: peace of mind. Narrator, steady, confident tone. Ethan's story isn't just about one man adapting, it's about how anyone can rebuild, no matter the starting line. And the truth is, the tools that changed his life aren't secrets. They're available to you, right now, in your pocket, your laptop, your browser. The only difference? He stopped scrolling and started applying. Automate clarity, know your money without obsessing over it. The first thing Ethan learned was this: you can't fix what you don't see. Most people don't have a money problem, they have a visibility problem. AI budgeting tools like Monarch, Clio, and Inab became his personal finance mirror. Every dollar was tracked automatically. Every subscription, expense, and goal, categorized and visualized in real time. He no longer needed to guess where his paycheck disappeared, the AI told him. Think of it like driving a car with a GPS instead of wandering with a paper map. You still choose the destination, but AI clears the fog on the road ahead. In just 3 months, Ethan cut unnecessary spending by 22%. Not through sacrifice, but through awareness. Automate growth, let AI make your money work while you sleep. Cut to Ethan watching his AI investing dashboard glow softly as night falls. Narrator, educational, hopeful tone. Ethan used to think investing was only for financial experts. But AI changed that too. Apps like Wealthfront, Betterment, and M1 Finance use machine learning to automatically balance portfolios, optimizing risk, timing, and diversification. They don't chase hype. They analyze data. And that difference turns chaos into quiet, consistent progress. He set his parameters, risk tolerance, time horizon, and goals, and let AI handle the rest. No emotions. No panic selling. Just data-driven discipline. In his words, it felt like hiring a 24/7 financial planner for the price of a coffee. That's the beauty of automation, your money never sleeps, even when you do. Build AI income streams, don't wait for AI to replace you. Learn to partner with it. Narrator, motivational tone. Ethan didn't just save money, he started making it differently. He explored AI-powered side hustles that aligned with his experience, using ChatGPT to write and edit marketing content for small businesses. Leveraging Midjourney and Runway to design visuals and social media ads. Automating client outreach and scheduling using AI chatbots. It wasn't instant success. But it was scalable, learnable, and real. Within 6 months, those experiments turned into a steady $2,000 per month side income. AI became his silent business partner, not replacing his creativity, but multiplying its reach. Narrator, think of it like rowing with an engine instead of oars. You still steer. But AI gives you momentum. Embrace financial feedback. Progress is a pattern, not a moment. Visual, Ethan reviewing his progress dashboard with calm satisfaction, numbers turning green. Narrator, reflective tone every week. Ethan's AI tools send insights, not judgments. You're saving faster this month. Your grocery spending dropped by 9%. You're on track to retire 3 years earlier. Each update became a small dopamine hit, the psychology of progress working in his favor. And here's the deeper truth: AI doesn't just automate money. It automates motivation. Because when progress becomes visible, consistency becomes effortless. Ethan realized something profound. He didn't need to chase the financial finish line. He just needed to build a system that moved him forward every day. AI didn't make him rich overnight, it made him aware, consistent, and calm. And those three things are what real wealth begins with. So if you've ever felt too late, remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is when you stop being afraid of technology and start using it to rewrite your financial story. You're not too late. You're right on time for the AI era of personal finance. Ethan doesn't wake up to an alarm anymore. He wakes up to peace. His bills are automated, his investments run on autopilot, and his side income hums quietly in the background. No more panic at the end of the month. No more guilt for starting late. Just rhythm, balance, clarity. For years, he thought wealth meant numbers. But now, he understands its freedom. Freedom from fear. Freedom from confusion. Freedom to breathe again. He didn't get here by chasing trends or timing markets, he got here by trusting something simple, that learning one new skill, one new tool, one new habit, is enough to change the entire trajectory of your life. Because the truth is, that AI revolution isn't just about robots and data. It's about redemption. For every person who feels like they missed their chance, AI offers another one. You don't need to be first. You just need to begin. Narrator, gentle, inspirational tone. So if you've ever felt behind, if you've ever thought it was too late to fix your finances, remember Ethan. Because his story isn't special. It's possible. AI didn't replace him. It rebuilt him. And it can rebuild you too, one decision, one click, one day at a time. This is your moment. Use it wisely. And if you believe in stories that change how you see money, subscribe for more. Fade out, soft piano chord lingers.